Yeah. Wasn't I good to you? Yeah. At least I was good to you. At least I was good to you. Yeah, I can't make no fucking promises. Lifestyle getting out of control. Lifestyle getting ludicrous. I made $1 million less than a year and I blew that on stupid shit. I typed it in like how to make $1 million. I used to Google it. Savannah just wanted to see me perform and got hit over stupid shit. I woke up and saw the shit right on my phone. They don't know who the shooter is. You never know, never feel untouchable. I touch your soul, made you feel so comfortable. If I let you go, I would feel so skeptical, unacceptable. But I still gotta let you know, yeah, that I can't keep no fucking promises. I can't make no fucking promises. I can't make no fucking promises, yeah. Lifestyle on the road, jeez, used to always want a rollie, now I want a new two-tone gold boutique, yeah. But we couldn't go to Philippe's. I had to be on that corner until it was morning so me and my niggas could eat. I be the one with the sauce, I never thought it was sweet. I got my foot in the door, they never gave me the key. I had to turn to a key, even when I was a boy. I was the man in the streets, I was the man with the heat. I was a beast, sheesh, he had a heart, but she tried to give it to me, yeah. Damn, but she can't keep no fucking promises. Shit, I'm coming with a lot of money. Money comes with a lot of shit. I told Mo, bring the studio to everywhere we go, and that's a lot of hits. Slow-mo in my videos when the lights out, all my diamonds hit. Something about blue faces, I like money conversations. Whole lot of 20s, that's basic. Nigga, fuck it, I'm shameless. Can't fuck with